Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the Ps3 and signing into your profile so settings save to the right account. Next, identify headset type, USB 3. 5mm analog through an adapter or Bluetooth because connection steps differ. Once done, make sure you have cables, a free USB port, or your controller nearby for pairing. This speeds setup and avoids interruptions. You'll follow different menus based on type, so knowing which headset you have right away reduces trial and error. You now connect or pair the headset depending on its type. For USB, plug into a front USB port and let the Ps3 detect it. Go to Settings to confirm. If using a 3.5mm plug, connect to the controller's jack or use the USB adapter and ensure the controller is synced. For Bluetooth, navigate Settings, Accessory Settings, then manage Bluetooth devices and start scanning. Put the headset in pairing mode and select it when it appears. Make sure you follow on-screen prompts to complete pairing. You finish by configuring audio routing and testing so sound and mic work correctly. Go to Settings, Sound and Display, and choose Audio Output or Audio Device Settings to set the headset as primary output and input. Next, adjust volume and microphone levels so chat is clear without drowning game sound. Finally, test in a party or in-game voice chat. If you get no audio, recheck connections, ensure headset battery is charged, and repeat pairing. These quick checks fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.